Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. Today, for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process for signing in into your Verizon account. Now, first of all, you open a browser on your PC, then open a new tab, and there on the search bar you type in www.verizon.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of the Verizon. Now here you need to click on sign in on the right side of your screen. Over here, click on sign in, then click into sign in into my account. Now to sign in here, you need to provide your user ID or the valid Verizon number. You provide your number over here and then you type in your password. Once you've provided both the details, you click on signing, and with that you will be logged in into your Verizon account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.